Every morning, millions of health-conscious people sprinkle chia seeds into their smoothies, yogurt, or overnight oats, convinced they're fueling their bodies with a powerful anti-inflammatory boost. The wellness community has hailed chia seeds as a modern superfood, and science does back many of their impressive health benefits. However, there's a noticeable gap between the dramatic results seen in scientific studies and the modest benefits most people experience when relying on chia seeds alone. The explanation has been hiding in plain sight. Inflammation is a silent driver behind all these issues, and chia needs the right partners to unlock its full healing potential. Chronic inflammation doesn't always scream in pain, it whispers through small signs: sluggish mornings, stiff joints, brain fog, and dull skin. Over time, it silently damages cells, accelerates aging, and triggers diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and even heart problems. Here is what scientific literature reveals: chia seeds by themselves cannot activate all the anti-inflammatory mechanisms your body needs to truly combat chronic inflammation. When consumed on their own, you're only tapping into a fraction of their true potential. Peer-reviewed studies reveal that combining chia seeds with specific nutrients can amplify their effectiveness several times over, targeting inflammatory pathways that chia seeds alone simply can't reach. Today we are exploring why chia seeds under-deliver when used independently and revealing the exact formula that unleashes their complete anti-inflammatory potential. If you're dealing with joint inflammation, autoimmune symptoms, brain fog, or digestive discomfort, this science-backed approach could be the missing link your body needs. The research is compelling, and implementing the solution requires just 2 additional ingredients. Before we continue, if you're new here, welcome to a community dedicated to science-backed health strategies that deliver real, lasting results. We cut through the marketing hype and share only facts grounded in real, credible scientific research. Subscribe and activate notifications so you never miss our in-depth videos. And here's something we'd love to know: drop a comment and tell us which country you're watching from. Our audience reaches across the globe, and knowing where you're watching from helps us create content that better serves our worldwide community. Now let's reveal the chia seed truth that changes everything. Why chia seeds are a hidden anti-inflammatory superfood. Chia seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, ALA. These omega-3s help your body produce compounds that soothe inflamed tissues and repair damaged cells. But here's the catch: omega-3s from chia need proper activation to truly work. And that's where turmeric and healthy fats come in. Turmeric and the power of curcumin. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory molecules. It reduces the same inflammatory markers targeted by modern medicine, but without side effects. When curcumin enters your cells, it amplifies antioxidant defenses and helps the body restore balance. Together, chia's omega-3s and turmeric's curcumin form a powerful cellular repair duo. Why healthy fats are the missing link? Here's something most people miss: curcumin is fat-soluble, which means your body can't absorb it well without fat. Adding healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado turns this mix into a bioavailable anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Think of healthy fats as the delivery vehicle, carrying nutrients deep into your cells where healing happens. The perfect combination explained. So here's the formula that works: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon olive oil, or coconut oil, warm water or plant-based milk. Let it sit for 15 minutes, stir well, and drink it once daily, preferably in the morning. How they work together. Studies show that combining omega-3s and curcumin can reduce joint inflammation, lower oxidative stress, improve brain function and mood, support heart and gut health. It's not a trend, it's pure nutritional science simplified for real life. Precautions and what to avoid. Don't overdo it. Too much turmeric may thin the blood, and chia should be soaked properly to avoid bloating. If you're on medications, talk to your doctor before starting any new routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this healing trio in their life.